the more straight up and down you are, the more uncomfortable it's going to be, especially for the guys. Yeah. So it helps if you're just kind of leaned back. Try to put as much weight as you can on that middle waistband. Waistband? Yeah. Sounds about right. Good enough. Other than that, I'll see you guys down there. Waistband. All right. Step around it for me. Turn this way a little more for me.
What are we doing right now?
What'd you get yourself into, huh?
I don't know.
Oh, you're hooked up. You're done now.
You might have to give me a little nudge. Can you just give me a little nudge?
Oh, sure.
Okay.
Go ahead and step down for me. Done one more. Okay, sit down in it like it's a chair.
Okay, just give me a nudge. Oh, shit.
Step right up on that top step.
Whew. That wasn't so bad, I guess.
No. And that's a lot of people get. Don't start getting used to it for another line or two. Line clear? Alright, then go ahead and step down right here. And then we do see a lot of deer on the ground, like along this side. So if you guys kind of keep your eyes peeled, we might see a little Bambi.
Wasn't so bad?
Come on, guide. Pretty good. Wasn't so bad. Okay, I'll take that as a compliment. It's fair. Alrighty, there you go.
Look at him upside down.
All upside down. I swear that's the most comfortable way to ride.
I don't know about that.
Hey, I'll trade you 2 for 3. 2 for 3? Yeah.